Okay, today we're going to talk about multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. And one great thing about multiplying fractions is that you do not need common denominators. We've worked so much with adding and subtracting fractions, and in both of those cases you need to have common denominators before you can add or subtract. So again, like I mentioned, that when you multiply fractions, it's really simple because you can use whatever the denominators are. So in our first example, 1/3 times 1/4, we're just going to work right across the top here. 1 times 1, our numerators give us 1. Then we multiply our denominators across. 3 times 4, that gives us 12. So 1/3 times 1/4 equals 1/12. In our second example, we have 2/5 times 2/4. So again, we'll just multiply straight across with our numerators. 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. And again, it does not matter that the denominators here are different. So 5 times 4 will give us 20. You'll notice that 4/20 is not in simplest form. We can divide them by their GCF of 4. So 4 divided by 4 is going to give us a 1 up top, and 20 divided by 4 is going to give us a 5 down below. Now when you multiply mixed numbers, again, you don't need common denominators. Now you'll remember from class that the first thing we do is turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 1 times 5 is going to give us 5, plus that numerator of 2 is going to give us 7. So 1 2/5 is the same thing as 7/5. And we're going to multiply that by 2 1/3, but first we need to turn that into an improper fraction. So 2 times 3 gives us 6, plus that numerator of 1 gives us 7. Keep our denominator of 3. Again, you'll see that we have different denominators, but that's okay. We're going to multiply our numerators across. 7 times 7, we're going to get 49. Multiply our denominators across. 5 times 3 is going to give us 15. Now you see that that's an improper fraction. You know that 15 goes into 49 3 whole times because 15 times 3 is 45. That leaves us with 4 left over. We keep our current denominator of 15. So looking back at our original problem, 1 2/5 times 2 1/3 equals 3 4/15.